Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, you can't always barbecue. And here on our channel, we release a video every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Pacific, and we do a live stream on the weekends. And mostly barbecue, mostly fun, mostly awesome. What are we making?
Shrimp tacos.
Shrimp tacos.
They're spicy.
Spicy.
Avocado salsa.
Avocado salsa.
Cilantro lime cream sauce.
Cilantro lime crema.
And they're delicious.
On a flour street tortilla.
Yeah, they're
Okay.
little street tacos.
Little street tacos with shrimpies.
Yes.
And here we go.
Okay, Babe, so... Oh, wait, not Babe. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So the first thing you start with is shrimp. I like to get the raw ones. You can do cooked if you want, but I like to start fresh. So I am going to peel these and devein them. It's really gross. Still not as bad as chicken, though. So you want to get all of that off. Look at how dirty the water was, people.
And let's see your bowl of shrimp, babe.
Here's my bowl of shrimp. And now I have to devein them. So here is the poop line. To get it out, you simply slice it down the middle. I don't know why I do this to myself. And you pick it out.
Ew! Okay, have fun de-pooping, and we'll be right back with you.
I should just become a vegetarian. Like a vegan.
No, babe. No.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, all my hard work for a few little shrimpies. Here are the ingredients for the entire recipe. We have black pepper, ground cumin, onion, cayenne pepper, which the recipe calls for chili powder, but we're out of it. So I'm using cayenne pepper. Olive oil, salt, sour cream, street tacos, flour. Those are the best. We have cilantro, tomato, lime, avocado, garlic, jalapeno. Shrimpies. Okay, so I'm starting with 2 garlic cloves, pretty good size. I'm gonna put them in my little Ninja food processor, my favorite little toy. Those are gonna go here in the shrimp. And then I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And that's gonna be our marinade. We're gonna put a little bit of salt in there. We don't need much. I'm gonna throw it in the fridge while I make my salsa and my cream sauce. The smell of the garlic. Heaping teaspoon of cumin, heaping half teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, just a dash of salt. Okay, we're gonna mix all of this up. Okay, we're gonna add in our 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator. You can let it marinate anywhere from 4 hours to overnight, whatever works for you. Okay, next I'm gonna make the avocado salsa. So this is part of it. There's 3 parts to the tacos. There's the cilantro lime cream sauce, and then there's the avocado salsa, and then there's our shrimp that go in our yummy flour tortillas. So I'm gonna make the avocado salsa right now. So you're gonna take 1 avocado, a whole avocado, preferably perfect like this one. A large tomato. That's a very big jalapeno. I do not know how they got that big. And then a lime. Oh, and the cilantro. We're gonna chop it up so it's all finely chopped just like you would any normal salsa.
What happened, babe? You need a bigger bowl?
Yeah, I need a bigger bowl.
Your avocado salsa was too massive? Mm-hmm. So you got the avocado, the tomato, the jalapeno. What else do you still need to put in there?
Cilantro, lime, salt, and pepper.
Cilantro, lime, salt, and pepper, and mix.
With all these fresh ingredients that's in this, it just is so perfect for a hot summer day to come home and have these. And Babe loves cilantro. I mean, Josh loves cilantro.
You're Babe, I'm Josh.
Sorry, Josh loves cilantro, so... And you're just going to cut the cilantro up just kind of coarse. It doesn't have to be fine. Not like my other salsa video. up there. Is that how it works?
Yeah, kind of, babe. You're kind of getting the hang of YouTube someday. How many limes?
We're just gonna do a half a lime.
The juice of half of a lime.
Juice of half a giant old lime. You also need one of these because it is the greatest tool ever if you use a lot of lime.
That pepper, babe?
Fresh ground pepper. Fresh salt. You gotta do these parts to your liking. There is no, I don't know if you like it saltier, less salty, spicier with pepper. How's that look?
Looks and smells really nice, babe.
Good. Okay, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator to sit for a little bit. Next, we'll make our cream sauce.
Okay, babe.
Here we go.
This is part 3.
Part 3.
This is the crema.
It is so good too. Super simple. We're gonna use sour cream, cilantro, lime, a little bit of salt. Half a cup of sour cream. You have to do the lime and cilantro to your liking. So I'm using this much right here because you, Josh, love cilantro like it's your baby mama. You love cilantro like you love me.
Yeah, babe.
Not your baby mama.
Yeah, babe.
You want this one to go really finely chopped. Juice of half a lime. Half a cup of sour cream. I used light sour cream.
That's blasphemous. But we're trying to be healthier.
We're trying.
Just eat it.
God, I hate it.
And I'll have some leftovers too. We like to keep this leftover because I can grab shrimp and make more of it. They're just so good. You can't really get enough. Bit of salt. And there you go. That's your cream sauce. And we can add more lime if we need to.
You decided to add another half a lime.
I think I'm gonna add another half a lime, yeah. I want it to be a little bit more limey. You can also use plain non-fat Greek yogurt if you would like to cut calories.
It's bad enough that you use light sour cream. So now it's 1.5 limes.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna use 1.5. You just have to play with it.
Yeah, babe. Play with it.
Good. Put this in the fridge. Let it set for a little bit. Then we'll go cook up our shrimp and we'll be ready to make our tacos.
You got your crema, which is basically just cilantro, lime, sour cream, and salt, pepper,
salt.
yumminess. And you got your marinated shrimp. You got your thing. Now we cook.
Okay.
Right?
Yes,
You
sir.
just heat those shrimp up, maybe in like a cast iron or something like that.
Yes, sir.
And then you're going to make me a plate.
Yes, I am.
I am so excited. Are you ready to have Shrimp Fest 5000 like Red Lobster?
These are my favorite tacos. I
And the
made them
whole-
for one of my girls' nights and they loved them. Because
Yeah.
they're healthy.
Yeah, okay.
They are healthy.
Okay.
What's unhealthy about them?
The tortilla and the sour cream.
Well, that's why you use...
Oh, stop it. We're not using no Greek yogurt up in here.
Okay, we got our pan heating up. Got a little oil added. You can see that the olive oil I put in kind of soaked it all up in there and they're going to be nice.
While we're waiting for the pan to get screaming hot, do you want to tell the folks anything?
Thank you for watching us. If you haven't subscribed, please do and hit that little bell down there so that you get notifications every time we release a video. And you can watch our fun shenanigans.
That was very professional.
Did you like that?
Yeah, it's almost like you've done this before.
I'm getting better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
150 videos in, you're...
Like this. Watch this video. Watch this video.
Good job, babe. You're doing a really great job here. You're just on a promotion train today.
Yeah, I am. Put these babies in. Get all the yummies in there. So. And shrimp cook pretty quick. A couple minutes.
You want to know what's funny, babe?
What?
a lot of people that watch our videos that are from the
East Coast?
Coast and Midwest and stuff like that say, wow, you have a gas stove. That would be nice. We have an electric stove.
That is true. So if you have an electric stove,
I don't know what to tell you.
take it out to your
Dumpster and throw it away.
Doesn't a Camp Chef have a burner on it?
I don't know.
Yeah. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to turn it up a little, like about medium heat. We're going to toss it on there for a few seconds. We're going to get a nice little char. Do it a couple times.
Okay, so I guess now it's time to build.
We're going to start with our little pretty burned tortilla. It's not burned. It's pretty and a little bit charred for color. We're going to lay our avocado salsa first. I'm messing it all up.
Yeah, babe, the thumbnail.
Next, we're going to do our shrimp. You do you on how many you would like. I think 3 is just about the perfect amount. We're going to top it off with our little cream sauce, and we fold. Okay? I think you get the perfect bites when you layer it with the salsa first, and then the shrimp, and then the cream sauce. And who knows, once you fall in love with these, you might want to use big tortillas and make a burrito out of it.
All right, boys and girls. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty hungry.
Here's
It's
yours.
Taco Madness time.
That's yours.
Oh, thanks, babe.
My mouth is watering already.
I know. Look at this. Oh, boy, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm trying to get a zoom in on you. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers. Boom.
Those are spicy.
I don't think it's spicy, babe.
Well,
I mean, really, it's really not that much heat. A very slight hint from the jalapenos, but the crema turned. Oh,
the cayenne pepper.
This is a perfect summertime food. It's killer. Just the freshness of the cilantro and the cream, and then the avocado, the tomatoes, the shrimp. They're marinated. Just you got to use these little flour tortillas though.
They're so
These
good.
little flour tortillas are like the
They're the
jam.
little flour street taco tortillas. And they're perfect. It's good, guys. Try it. You won't regret it. Super yummy. And it's a crowd pleaser.
It's a crowd pleaser. Babes make these like a ton of times.
We love them.
All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, we upload videos every Tuesday, Thursday, live stream on the weekends. Little couples cooking channel, a little fun. It's a hobby of ours. And yeah.
Thanks, guys.
I just want to eat more. All right. See you guys on the next one.
That thing is spicy.
I didn't think it was that spicy.
To a scale of 1 to 1,000, I think that was 1,000.
What?